Okay, rockin'. So we are going to do another fun stream, and today we're going to try and get Spark working in client mode. Ooh, sorry, that's my little check thing to make sure that YouTube is working. Join me getting Spark working on ARM on K8s inside of a Jupyter lab on ARM deployment. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get Spark on ARM on Kubernetes working inside of a Jupyter lab on ARM deployment. So that's exciting, or at least I think it's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is see what namespaces do I have? kubectl get profile? Is it profile? No. Profiles, kubectl help. Contexts. Context? Context. kubectl contexts. Okay, it's kubectl context list. Oh, config. Okay. Config get context. Okay, kubectl config set context. K3s. Okay, kubectl get no, I guess it's use context or something. Use context. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's deployed. Yeah. So if we take a look, we see Ceph job that completed a long time ago. We've got Rook Ceph, we've got Jupyter Hub up and running, we've got Cert Manager, MinIO, Cube System, all sorts of friends. Okay, so that looks good. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So so this is the base image that we made. I made this before the last time when I was doing this with Dask. So okay. What are you gonna do? Containers, sure. Yeah, so this is going to be a little bit complicated. That is okay. So let's okay. And executor. Oh, I guess I'm not running Emacs yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is well, okay, let's start with the notebook container, because we know that we want to. Is that true? Do I want to base it on that? Yeah, I think I do. I think I do. Okay. Okay. Switch to root to install stuff. Okay. And probably going to want to, so here we go. Oh, no, not what I want. Spark, maybe? Yeah. Okay. But this is going from the JRE11 Slim image. Okay. So we're gonna. I want to install with JDK11. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in that Docker file, I guess. Docker file. Okay, I guess. Okay. Yeah, we want. Let's go. Okay. We're gonna want. Oh yeah. Let's. Yeah. There we go. Okay. And so, yep. Okay. Okay. So this is the like magic to install OpenJDK. And yeah, we're not. Okay, cool. So there we go. That's gonna install OpenJDK. Now, the next thing that we're gonna want to do, is the Spark stuff. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Docker file. Doot. Except now we also want the Python stuff too. So yeah. We are going to want to install more than that. At least I think I am. I definitely want PyArrow. Although actually, since we're doing this from the Jupyter example as the base, Python should already be installed. So let's see if we can just pip install. Okay. I probably want to set the Python path. There's like a Python path environment variable that I want to configure. Or run pip install -e. Okay. And then we go ahead and we set the user back to the default user. Containers, notebook. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer? Ah, shit. So it shows up in the kernel. To a non-root user that will actually do the running. A Dask Docker notebook. Okay. Yeah. NB user. Okay. Wait, Alexa, how much time is left on my timer? Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
You have 25 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
Huzzah. Okay, 25 minutes. We're good. Okay. Okay. Because that's when I gotta go change laundry, and we'll take Timbit outside at the same time. And I wanted to make sure there's a timer because sometimes / always I don't remember to set a timer. So this is like kind of a I'm sorry, Tim. I didn't realize that was what your Alexa said. Okay, sorry. Okay. So here is the question. If I do this, Yeah, okay, so then here's what I'm going to do in our super classy build file. Okay. We are going to go ahead and download Spark. Yeah. Okay. If this file does not exist, then if the Spark directory doesn't exist. Oh, are you taking Tim outside?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's okay. Okay. Then we'll copy our Docker file over here. Like, this is a little hacky, but and then we'll do Docker build X, and this is just going to do the cross compile. And this is going to be 301.0. And then next thing that I'm going to do well, whatever. That's enough to start. Because it's probably not going to work, and so we might as well run it and fix the issues as we go. Oh, that's weird. Normally, shell check yells at me. Oh, well, okay, cool. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. I forgot to do okay. Huh. Okay. That looks like it's not going to work. Okay, so we're going to have to do some funky stuff, and that is a-okay, and also kind of my fault. So there's a Docker image tool, and that is kind of what I want.
Do you need a treat for coming upstairs?
I think so.
You put a treat in your crate? Treats.
Ah.
I love you, baby. You're Gordon.
No, I'm gonna have you too. Snacka. Okay, and instead it's going to be Holden K Spark v3010. Cross build and build with the 11 JRE as the base. And the other thing that I want to do is make sure that I build the Python Docker files too. Yeah. Someone's messaging me. Okay. So that's solid. I mean, not really. I want to go take a look at what the Docker image tool does, because I don't remember. And I kind of want to use the Docker image tool to build my other image. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, I think I need to fix this anyways. So, well, am I gonna need to fix this? Let's take a look for buildx. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we'll write this out here. Docker image tool.sh. Yeah, fixed to do buildx push. So what does this, what setup work does this thing do? Okay, so there's this create dev build context, which I kind of want to do. Can I call these functions? Huh. Docker image. So I think I actually want to go ahead. I'm going to make these into separate functions, simplify my life, sort of. Source Docker image functions.sh. Image. I don't remember. Let's go ahead. Bash find directory of current script. Okay. And so then we'll go ahead and source because that's what I want to do. I want to get these functions because then I am going to factored out from Docker image tool to allow reuse and also fix buildx call to invoke with push. Yes, I would like to save that file. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Okay. And then yeah. So create there's like a it's not a dev build context. CTX dir. Okay. CTX dir. Fuck. Except it's not a dev build. So actually, maybe that shouldn't even be necessary. I don't know. So let's go take a look at how this thing does its build. Yeah. Oh, we haven't set the Spark home. Wait, I don't. Okay. Pardon me. Maybe? I don't. Okay. Oh, fuck. Kubernetes, Docker files, Spark. That's not good. That's not great at all. Oh, right. That's why. I was okay. So I got confused because I was looking at Containers Notebook. So this is a new feature that I implemented, but it's actually in Spark 3.1, and we're taking this based on the Spark Docker file, updated for Spark 3.1 with decom.sh. Okay. Actually, let's see. Wildcard, so it covers decom present, 3.1 plus, and not present, pre-3.1. Let's see if this works. Okay. Okay. We're building. It's a good sign, but I don't think we haven't gotten to the part where we try and copy that file. I should have actually moved that up. Okay, cool. So run invalid option S. Oh, okay. My bad. Gotcha. Let's make this slightly more consistent. Okay, move. And so the reason why we do this together is so that because it generates like sort of like, you can think of it as diff files from each run step. And so if we don't clean it up in the side of the same step, then we'll end up having like we'll end up actually shipping the files anyways. So does this look like enough? I feel like there's some other stuff that I want to install. Oh. Yeah. Well, I guess let's go look at Spark. Is there requirements? Here we go. There's like here we go. Okay, yeah. NumPy, pandas, PyArrow. I think there's some other things that I want to install too, like beyond that basic list. I feel like there's something else that I want to do here, and I'm just not remembering it. I guess whatever. We can install the other things later. Oh yeah, I was gonna look at what else I was installing for Dask. Do I have anything? Actually, I shouldn't need. Oh, I think I do want this. Jupyter server proxy. Okay, no, I don't need that. Yeah. Yeah, this is probably fine. Okay. Oh. Okay, what failed? The update command takes no arguments. Okay. Yes, there we go. Do. Oh, Timbit is being such a good boy, chewing on his bully stick. Okay. There we go. Let's hope this does the trick. Oh, okay. What? That's weird. Okay. Docker. Alexa, stop. I thought I installed Bash. Maybe I did not. Okay. Definitely. No, I did install Bash. So why did that not? Docker end command not found. What? Huh. That's weird. Right. Right, that's weird. I think that's weird. Did the notebook set any M's? No, it did not. Huh. Did I fuck up? Okay, yeah, I fucked that up. Okay, there we go. That's why. I had the end there, and so it was interpreting it as a bash command, but I was actually done with my bash commands. Okay. On that note, we're gonna go switch the laundry around, and we're gonna see if Timbit wants to go outside for this part of the build. So we're gonna activate Timbit cam. Let's go upstairs. Oh yeah, we're done. Let's see how it's going. And it has failed. Aww. Oh, well, okay. So it failed with the chmod part, so that's okay. We are gonna go ahead. I'll rerun that, and I think this time, knock on wood. Oh, okay. Huh. What? Oh. Ah, okay. Oh, Alexa, create a 40-minute timer.
40 minutes, starting now.
Huh. Well. Oh, okay. Right. I think I want to say. What's in the lib directory, though? I know there should be. Copy PySpark with setup files and everything. Or did he? Let's see here. If this is working. Okay, that looks like it's going okay. And unfortunately, this would have been cached, but I added a bunch of, oh, okay. So it looks like the -h that's not. I don't, oh, maybe they meant sudo -h. Anyways, we're not actually using sudo. Okay. Okay, cool. So a bunch of it's cached. Oh, yeah. And then What? Okay, cool. Except, ah, huh. Uh, Interesting. Interesting for sure. Um, huh. Well, add, oops, PySpark to the Python path. Env uh, it's going to be yeah, I guess. I don't. Oh, he got for the glory of Satan Bear. Tim Tim. For the glory of Satan Bear does not appreciate being dragged around the house. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The central scrutinizer is displeased. Mm-hmm. Oh, I was going to put on music. There we go. Okay. Looks like it's going okay, I would say. Cool. Progress of a sort. It looks like it is doing on ARM the update, but we've already built for AMD 64, so that's a good sign. It means it's more likely to succeed. So that's nice. But yeah, we have to wait for Pyro and all of this stuff to be installed. That's okay. Hey, no, don't eat that. Timbit. Hey, Timbit, come on. Timbit, good boy. Good boy. Oh, God. Life is all kinds of exciting, eh? Okay. Yeah, so this is going to take a little while to install PyArrow, since it's going to need to build it from source, but that's okay. And let's hope that works. Okay. Do. Oh. Oof. I think this is running on the Jetson Nano, so you could go ahead and SSH over to it. Okay. Jetson Nano .local or so let's take a look. Yeah, that definitely looks like we're running GCC and we're pegging one of the cores. In installing or building PyArrow, which that makes sense. Although I guess I'm confused why it's only using one core. But that's okay. That's not. Well, actually, you know what? While we're here, we might as well look it up. Pip install multiple cores. Is there a way to? Huh. Yeah. Huh. Huh. Hmm. Ah. Yeah. Uh, okay. I think maybe alias make multiple jobs. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Huh. I guess for next time, what I would like to do, well, this will disable all of the caching, god damn it. Have make flags. Okay. Yeah. This will disable the caching, which that's gonna suck, but maybe it'll let us use multiple CPUs. I can find out. Or not multiple cores. Installing PyArrow. many cores are there, actually? Oh, 4. Okay, that's a good guess on this machine. Do. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now we can see if it's going to use multiple cores. It doesn't look like it. Oh well, c'est la vie, c'est la vie. Maybe. Uh, oh, yeah, it is all using all 4 cores now, so that's exciting. That's nice. Hopefully that'll make NumPy install a little faster, and the rest of PyArrow will also install a little faster. So that's good. Still probably going to take some time, though, mind you. Ooh. Here, yeah. Okay. Do. I don't know why this is taking so long. But, what did I do? Okay, there we go. I clicked on something. Oh, I'm not used to my clicking and doing things. Okay, whatever. Okay, I suppose there's a lot of dependencies with PyArrow, huh? This is, I wonder if there's a PyArrow. Well, it's really looks like it's installing NumPy, which is taking so long. I think that this could take a while and be perhaps not particularly exciting. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to take a break, and this is going to be part 1. And I'll come back and do part 2 once this container is built, and we'll see if this container does what we need it to do. So yeah, I think we're gonna take this sort of as a sign or as an opportunity to go take a break, make some coffee, you know, maybe work on a blog post or something. I'm gonna take a little break for like an hour, and then I'll come back and I'll see if we finished installing PyArrow and all of that fun stuff. And I really hope we have. We probably will have, but the machine that I'm using, the Jetson Nano, like it's not a particularly beefy machine. So yeah, thanks for joining me. I hope you will join me for part 2, which will probably be later on today, probably tonight. Yeah, I'll see you all around.